Check out this beautiful new listing. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath condo in Charleston National, right on the golf course in Mount Pleasant. It has a great front porch. And as you enter, there are French doors leading into the office, which could also be used as a dining room. You have a butler's pantry, great for entertaining. Nice open kitchen, granite countertops, stainless appliances, side-by-side refrigerator, a pantry. And this is an oversized family room. A lot of the units don't have this large of a family room. Nice and bright, overlooking the golf course. You have a breakfast area and an eat-in breakfast bar. There's a large coat closet. And this door leads to the downstairs garage. And let's go take a look upstairs. There's no carpeting in this unit, which is great. All wood floors. At the top of the steps, you have your washer and dryer, which they are leaving with the unit. Nice large bedroom with tray ceilings. You have his and her closet. And then you have this fabulous all-season sun porch off the bedroom. Beautiful oak tree, and then the golf course. And these are removable, so it can be screened or you can use it year-round. You have dual sinks with a little vanity area. Nice jacuzzi tub. Shower. And this is another great storage closet upstairs. This is also the elevator shaft. So if you wanted to install an elevator, there is already room set up for that. Here's the second bedroom with its own private bath. And there is a nice deck or covered porch up here. You have all the amenities in Charleston National with golf, tennis, swim. So this one won't last long. Come take a look.